Hello everybody, this is the channel Me and My Dog, and I will be doing a tutorial for how to do a French braid. This is my sister, and she is one of the cousins in the channel Bro Monkey 16. So please subscribe to that channel. So you're gonna grab like half a ponytail part of the hair. You're gonna split it into 3 pieces. And you're gonna go like a regular braid, except you add hair to each strand. So each time you get it on this side, add hair to the strand. Jupiter, come here. She doesn't want to come over here, but that is the other cousin to Bro Monkey 16.
Hi guys, subscribe to the channel and help you guys subscribe and like our videos.
Thanks for watching. Bye.